from trench to corner, from shack to zinc fence. Hear the voice of the poor man cry tonight. This one name, Ghetto Story. Drums drop, morning sunrise pon the zinc rooftop. Empty pot inna the kitchen, fire not hot. Picnic them a cry, said them belly too weak, but the cupboard empty all week. Me shirt tear up, me shoes them thin. Whole heap of trouble, but me not give in. Walk through the street with me head held high, though me pocket dry like desert sky. Babylon city cold like stone. Poor man pay nobody own, but Jah see the tears were falling at night, and Jah keep me standing in the fight. Ghetto story, pain and glory. Hungry belly, but me spirit never worry. Through the storm, Jah guide me journey. From the dust me rise, write me ghetto story. Ghetto story, Jah before me. Even when the whole world ignore me, through the dark me still see the glory. Every sufferer write them ghetto story. I take, hey. Nighttime cold punk cardboard bed. Many wicked thoughts run through me head. Some youth turn thief, some youth sell soul, just we find food in a them bowl. Me see the rich man ride big car, while the poor man sleep under broken star. But silver and gold can't buy Jah grace. Truth and faith me nah replace. Mama says son hold firm and stand. Jah guide every righteous man. The Babylon build them crooked throne. Justice soon come overthrow them stone. Ghetto story, pain and glory. Hungry belly, but me spirit never worry. Through the storm, Jah guide me journey. From the dust me rise, write me ghetto story. Ghetto story, Jah before me. Even when the whole world ignore me, through the dark me still see the glory. Every sufferer write them ghetto story. Years gone by, but me still survive. Through the struggle, Jah keep me alive. Me dreadlocks grey, but me heart still strong. Still chant righteousness in a song. Me voice for the youth we lost them way. Me voice for the mothers when kneel and pray. Me voice for the hungry and the poor, knocking on justice rusty door. One day the sun a go shine so bright, and wash away this long dark night. Ghetto child rise and claim them crown. Babylon wall a go crumble down. Ghetto story, pain and glory. Hungry belly, but my spirit never worry. Through the storm, Jah guide me journey. From the dust me rise, write me ghetto story. Ghetto story, Jah before me. Even when the whole world ignore me, through the dark me still see the glory. Every sufferer write them ghetto story. Roots echo, drum story. Every sufferer got a story. Every warrior got a glory. Write your name in the ghetto story. Yeah, yeah.
Static radio song. Yeah man, this a special broadcast from the heart of the sufferer them. From trench to corner, from shack to zinc fence. Hear the voice of the poor man cry tonight. This one name Ghetto Story. Drums drop, bass rolling, guitar scan. Morning sunrise pon the zinc rooftop. Empty pot inna the kitchen, fire na hot. Picnic them a cry, say them belly too weak, but the cupboard empty all week. Me shirt tear up, me shoes them thin. Whole heap of trouble but me nah give in. Walk through the street with me head held high, though me pocket dry like desert sky. Babylon city cool like stone. Poor man pain nobody own, but just see the tears we fall in a night, and Jah keep me standing in the fight.
Ghetto story, pain and glory. Hungry belly but my spirit never worry. Through the storm Jah guide me journey. From the dust me rise, write me ghetto story. Ghetto story, Jah before me. Even when the whole world ignore me, through the darkness still see the glory. Every sufferer write them ghetto story.
Nighttime cold pan cardboard bed. Many wicked thoughts run through me head. Some youth turn thief, some youth sell soul, just we find food in a them bowl. Me see the rich man ride big car, while the poor man sleep on a golden star. But silver and gold can't buy Jah grace. Truth and faith me nah replace. Mama says son hold firm and stand. Jah guide every righteous man. No Babylon build them crooked throne. Justice soon come overthrow them stone.
Ghetto story, pain and glory. Hungry belly but my spirit never worry. Through the storm Jah guide me journey. From the dust me rise, write me ghetto story. Ghetto story, Jah before me. Even when the whole world ignore me, through the darkness still see the glory. Every sufferer write them ghetto story.
Years gone by but me still survive. Through the struggle Jah keep me alive. Me dreadlocks grey but me heart still strong. Still chant righteousness in a song. Me voice for the youth we lost them way. Me voice for the mothers we kneel and pray. Me voice for the hungry and the poor, knocking on justice rusty door. One day the sun a go shine so bright and wash away this long dark night. Ghetto child rise and claim them crown. Babylon wall a go crumble along.
Ghetto story, pain and glory. Hungry belly but my spirit never worry. Through the storm Jah guide me journey. From the dust me rise, write me ghetto story. Ghetto story, Jah before me. Even when the whole world ignore me, through the darkness still see the glory. Every sufferer write them ghetto story.
Drum slow. Every sufferer got a story. Every warrior got a glory. Write your name in the ghetto story. Ghetto story.